In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download Roblox on a PC or laptop here in 2026. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you're going to want to go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice and just go to roblox.com. If you don't already have a Roblox account, click sign up in the top right and create one. Or if you already do have an account, just log in the top right and then sign in. And once you are signed in, you'll be taken to the homepage, which will look something like this. It doesn't really matter which game you select. I'm just going to choose this one right here, but essentially select any of these games, and on the game page, go ahead and select the play button. A new window is going to appear. Instead of saying open Roblox game client, it's going to say click to download Roblox. Essentially, go ahead and click that and wait for the Roblox installer to download. Just only make sure that you are downloading Roblox from the official Roblox website. Whenever the download does finish, open up your download manager up in the top, and then of course just go through the installation process by selecting on the installer. And whenever it does finish installing, the game is going to automatically open for you. You may have to sign in again, so keep that in mind. And you can also download Roblox through the Microsoft Store. So if you don't want to download it through the website, search up Microsoft Store. In here, you could just search for Roblox, and then boom, it can pop up. Select it, hit install, and you'll be good to go. But yeah, if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.